In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to your Squarespace website. Integrating engaging visuals like GIFs can significantly enhance your site's appeal by making it more dynamic and engaging. So, let's dive into the process, which, although straightforward, involves a few key steps. Make sure you follow along carefully to ensure success. First things first, let's head over to your Squarespace account and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, take a moment to locate and click on the website where you'd like to add the GIF. This brings us right where all the magic happens, the website editor. Next up, click the Edit button. This step allows you to modify your website pages and add exciting new elements. After clicking Edit, you will notice a range of options on your sidebar. Here's where we'll be adding a new section to your page, so go ahead and click on Add Section. This option will provide you with several templates to choose from, but for our purpose, select Add a blank section. This blank canvas is ideal for incorporating a GIF without any pre-existing content getting in the way. With the new section in place, it's time to add a block. To do this, you need to click on Add Block. Among the variety of block types available, scroll through and select the code option. This particular block will let you embed external content directly into your Squarespace site using HTML, which is exactly what we need for our GIF. Now double-click this new code block. A panel should appear, giving you space to input your code. For now, let's leave this open, as we need to gather the specific GIF code from GIF. In a separate tab or window, head over to GIF, one of the most popular libraries of GIFs. Once you're on their homepage, browse and find a GIF that fits what you're looking to add to your site. After selecting the perfect GIF, click on it to view more details. You should see an option to embed the GIF. Click this. Once you've clicked Embed, GIF will present you with an embed code. Now click Copy to snag that code. With the GIF code securely copied, let's switch back over to your Squarespace tab. In the code block editor you still have open, paste the embed code you just copied from GIF. Make sure that the code is pasted correctly, as any small error can prevent the GIF from displaying properly. And there you have it. After pasting the code, you can preview your website to check how the GIF looks. If everything appears as it should, save your changes and voila, you've successfully added a GIF to your Squarespace website. It's that simple. Remember to always refresh your page to see the updates in action and ensure everything looks just right. Thanks for watching and happy designing.